Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? It's time to start thinking about the long term and the benefits of saving and investing early. In this video, we'll cover the basics of investing and how it can set you up for financial success. Hello and welcome to Money Matters with Alan Davis. My name is Alan Davis, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the benefits of saving early, a beginner's guide to investing. In our last video, we talked about the importance of creating a budget that actually works. But budgeting is only one piece of the puzzle. In order to truly secure your financial future, it's important to also focus on saving and investing. The importance of starting early. Did you know that starting to save and invest at a young age can have a huge impact on your financial future? By beginning to save and invest in your 20s or even earlier, you can take advantage of the power of compound interest. This means that not only will your money be earning interest, but the interest it earns will also be earning interest, creating a snowball effect. So, someone who starts saving and investing in their 20s may end up with significantly more money than someone who starts in their 30s or 40s, even if they save and invest the same amount each month. Don't miss out on this opportunity to set yourself up for financial success. Start saving and investing as early as you can. Starting early also allows you to take on more risk in your investments, since you have a longer time horizon to potentially ride out any market ups and downs. This can lead to potentially higher returns in the long run. Where to start? If you're new to investing, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. One option is to invest in a mutual fund or exchange traded fund (ETF), which allows you to invest in a diverse group of assets all at once. These types of investments can be a good option for beginners, since they offer instant diversification and professional management. Another option is to start small with dollar cost averaging, which is a technique where you invest in a fixed amount of money at regular intervals regardless of the price of the investment. This can help you avoid trying to time the market and potentially lower your overall cost basis. The benefits of diversification. Diversification is an important aspect of investing, and it involves spreading your investment dollars across different asset classes, industries, and even countries. The goal of diversification is to minimize risk and maximize return by reducing your reliance on any one particular investment. By diversifying your portfolio, you can cushion the impact of market fluctuations and minimize the impact of any one particular investment on your overall returns. So, if you have a diverse portfolio that includes stocks, bonds, and real estate, and the stock market takes a downturn, the other asset classes in your portfolio may help offset the losses and reduce the overall impact on your portfolio. This is why it's important to have a mix of different types of investments in your portfolio rather than putting all of your eggs in one basket. Please note that the information and content in this video is for informational and educational purposes only and is not intended as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and the opinions expressed in this video are my own. Please consult with a financial professional before making any financial decisions. Thanks for watching our video on benefits of saving early. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see in the future. You may have noticed that we've switched our animation style. Let us know in the comments what you think about it and if you'd like to see more of these in the future. Thanks again for watching. In the next video, we are going to talk about the ultimate guide to paying off debt and give you a comprehensive guide on where to start and how to avoid getting into debt in the future. So, go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on that or any other future videos.